Shrimp ceviche is perfect for this weather, and today, partnered with Food for Less, I'm excited to show you how to make a delicious summer recipe, ceviche de camarón. Cheers! But first, let's head over to Food for Less to pick up all the fresh ingredients we need. We're gonna need some avocados, tomatoes, lime, cilantro. Here at Food for Less, you'll find everything you need for the shrimp ceviche recipe, fresh and at a great price. And I'm using fresh shrimp from Food for Less, ensuring quality and taste. I'm gonna add the shrimp into a bowl, and I'm using 1.5 pounds that I've cut into smaller pieces. Next, I'm gonna add the juice of 10 limes. We're gonna add some salt, pepper, mix it, and we're gonna let it sit for about 20 minutes. While we wait for the shrimp, I'm gonna start chopping the veggies. I'm gonna be using 4 Roma tomatoes, and I'm also gonna use half of a small white onion and half of a red onion. 1 serrano pepper. If you want it spicier, you can always add more. Now 2 cucumbers. I'm gonna peel them, cut them in half, and remove the seeds. And last, I'm gonna chop some cilantro. In a molcajete, I'm gonna grind 5 chiles de arbol, 6 chile tepin, and some salt. And we start grinding. Once it looks like this, we add it into the shrimp and mix it in. And then we add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of salsa negra for mariscos. Mix it all in, and now we can add in all the veggies. Thanks to Food for Less, creating this summer dish has been a breeze. Once everything is well mixed, this is the perfect time to check for salt. And finally, I like to top it off with some avocado. This is perfect for your summer gatherings, for a picnic. And now it's ready to serve. I'm gonna serve myself a tostada, and I like to add some mayo on the bottom. If you haven't tried it like that, you definitely need to try it. It's so delicious. A little bit of salsa. You can use your favorite. All right, guys, now for the moment of truth. Cheers! It's super delicious, guys. It's spicy, but I think it's like the perfect amount of spice. I give it like a 6 or a 7. If you want it more spicy, you can always add more serranos or chile de arbol. I didn't add too many chile tepin because those can be very spicy sometimes. Food for Less has everything you need for fresh, affordable meals like this. Don't forget to check out their weekly deals and download the Food for Less app for more savings. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.